Muppet.
You'd have a moderate knobhead, all the way up to fundamental knobhead.
Sie merkt überhaupt nichts, die sieht nichts, sie merkt nichts.
Das ist der Klassiker.
Eine Fahranfängerin, wie sich schnell herausstellt. Ihr penetrantes Kriechen ist typisch für mangelnde Erfahrung. Führerschein-Neulinge haben oft Angst vorm Spurwechsel.
Sie war ja ab von der Welt. Unerfahrenheit, dazu noch Dummheit.
Hey, why don't you guys speak English?
Sir, yes, sir!
Zoom in right here on this spot.
A moderate knobhead.
Oh, beautiful!
Hey, you can't park them over there. It's illegal.
Apparently there are people out there who are so stupid they are beyond comprehension. It is impossible to understand how stupid they are.
Hello.
Also was Sie machen, geht überhaupt gar nicht, ne?
Thanks.
Good boy.
Good boy. Oh, good in.
Enough of this shit.
Just driving very erratically, at times very fast, very unpredictably, and causing a danger to a lot of the commuters that are on the road with him. And traffic situations where he is going to have to slow down a little bit for slower traffic.
Amazingly able to escape. Amazingly suffered no broken bones, but some minor injuries. Guys, talk about lucky.
Wait, what? Replay?
Okay.
I could be talking about that guy being a squid because he's wearing no gear, shorts. I mean, look at that. There's a term that's often used in motorcycling. It's called a squid. It's a derogatory way of referring to the under-geared person on a bike. That would make them a squid. That is how you get hurt.
Das ist hundertprozentig Bockmist.
Look, an idiot!
Can you enhance it?
Hold on a second, I'll enhance.
Спасибо большое.
Whoa, bumpy road ahead.
Don't think dirty.
Okay.
It's a trap! Is that a trap?
It's a trap!
I'll get you, bitch!
Performance, power, reliability. The class dominator.
Little bumps. Some more bumps here.
Round 2.